In this video, we're going to show you how to print documents in NMONESOURCE.COM. How to print the document you're currently viewing, how to select multiple documents for printing, and how you can download certain documents for printing in other applications. Within NMONESOURCE.COM, there are essentially two different ways to print the current document. You can use your browser's print feature directly through your own browser's menus, or you can use the NMONESOURCE.COM print tab right here. If you use the print tab, you will see that you have the option of printing the current document or printing multiple documents, but that the default is print current document. And when you click print, it will open a new tab, place the current document inside this new tab, and launch your own browser's print dialog. So notice that at its core, NMONESOURCE.COM uses your browser's print function to print your documents. Every browser is a little different. This is Internet Explorer's print dialog. So just be sure to become familiar with your own browser's print capabilities. So let me ask, why would you ever use the print tab to print a single document when you can just do a straight print from your browser's menu? It seems like overkill, right? Well, it depends. NMONESOURCE.COM uses frames, and it really depends on how well versed you are at printing individual frames from your browser. Let me give you a couple of quick browser-specific pointers, and then you can choose which method you think is best for you. If you use Internet Explorer, for example, your best bet is to go into Print Preview, and then way up here at the top, change the content from as laid out on screen to only the selected frame. You see that? Otherwise, you will pretty much get a one-page screenshot. So let me do that again. Internet Explorer, right-click here in the document, Print Preview, change this to only the selected frame. Or you can use the Print tab to print the current document. Now, if you're using Firefox, and let me change real quickly here to Firefox. If you're using Firefox, your best option is to right-click in the document frame, select this frame, and then Print Frame. Let me do that again. Right-click, this frame, Print Frame. Or, again, you can use the Print tab to print the current document. If you're using Google Chrome, you'll always need to use the Print tab. For some reason, Chrome issues a screen refresh command when you try to print, which kicks you to the start page. So Chrome users, just always use the Print tab to print your documents from NMONESOURCE.COM, and you'll be just fine. The coolest thing about the Print tab is its ability to pull together multiple documents for printing all at the same time. As soon as you select Print Multiple Documents, what happens is the table of contents over here resets with checkboxes for making your print selections. For example, maybe I'm looking at a section in the administrative code and I want to print the entire part, the entire regulation. I click on Print Multiple Documents, and I drill down to Title 9, Chapter 2, Part 1. I click Print, and there it is, the entire part. This sure beats printing section at a time. Or maybe I'm interested in printing an entire article in the NMSA. Let's go to the statutes, Chapter 1, Article 7, and print. And there's the entire Article 7. And look at this. Maybe these documents don't even need to be contiguous or even in the same branch. Check, check, check. Check, check, and check. And there we have all of those sections pulled together within the same document so that we can print them all at the same time. Very nice. One final thing you should know about printing is that some of the documents in NMONESOURCE.COM are also stored on this site in their original WYSIWYG format, such as in PDF, in order to maintain their original look and feel. This preserves the original pagination as well as complex tables and forms. All of the New Mexico appellate reports, for example, are also stored in PDF on this site. Let me pull up Internet Explorer again. Right at the top here is a link which, depending on how your system is set up, will either open up Adobe Acrobat or Acrobat Reader, an Adobe plugin right in your browser, or else download the PDF for viewing later. The point is that you can print this document right from Acrobat for a much cleaner printout. The same is true with all of the NMRA forms and the statutory forms in the official forms library. We have them not just in PDF, but in Microsoft Word, WordPerfect, and RTF, which is Microsoft's rich text format for document exchange. So let's find one. So here we have WordPerfect, MS Word, RTF, and PDF. I'm going to click on the PDF. So if you want a more perfect printout of these forms, they can be downloaded to your computer and printed right from Adobe Acrobat, for example, or from WordPerfect, or from Word if these are installed on your system. And wherever these forms appear in the NMSA or the NMRA, there are links embedded that bring you back to this same official forms library. Let me find one and show you. Oops. Let's go to criminal forms. Grand jury indictment. Over here in the upper right hand corner is a link back to the forms library. And there you have it. You can download WordPerfect, Word, RTF, or PDF to print. And that concludes this video segment. You can now print from NMONESOURCE.com.